Machine shop. Precise grinding, with meticulous craftsmanship, shapes every inch of metal. Efficient operation, powered by intelligence, enables every process. Product processing procedure. By using high-precision CNC machines, grinding machines, etc., the parts are precisely cut and ground, with micrometer-level precision control, ensuring that the dimensions and surface finish meet the standards. Product delivery. From the selection of raw materials, to the precise processing, and then to the triple quality inspection before leaving the factory, we have always strictly controlled every detail with stringent standards.